Fall in love with God is the greatest romance. Saint Augustine. Perfect love expel fear. Time spent alone with God is never wasted. Takot ba kayo sa dilim? Dapat nakakalakad kayo kahit madilim. The greatest revolution is silence. Swimming din kami. Bicol. Dati kong parish priest. Magkapangalan kasi kami eh. Former nuncio. Paki-post din ka. Alam niyo, very ano po sa akin ito, very symbolical. Kasi nung binisita ko mami ko sa Australia, 5 years ago bago mag-pandemic, hindi ko alam na ang parish namin is Mary, Mother of God. At yan pong picture na yan, it became very emotional. Nung aalis na ako, nung iiwan ko na uli mama ko, pabalik na ako ng Philippines, sabi ko kay Mama Mary, you are my mother. I entrust to you my mom. Sabi ko ganun. You have given me a very good mother, but I love you more than my mom. Sabi ko, that's why I need to go back to the Philippines. Masakit sa akin na iiwan ko yung mami ko, pero mas mahal kita, sabi kong gano'n. Kaya handa akong talikuran ng lahat. Yan yung dasal ko doon eh, sa parish namin, Mary, Mother of God. And it's been 5 years na hindi ko na nakita ang mama ko. Kasi naabutan ako ng pandemic. And hermits are also human. We cry. Most of the time we cry. But sabi ko nga sa inyo, once you're a child of Mama Mary, she will always be a mother to us. Kaya tama yung dasal ni Mother Teresa, be a mother to me now. There's no greater love than this, than the relationship of the children to a mother. Very tender yan. Kaya pag ang nanay natin na napaiyak natin, that is something. Ha? Sana nakokonsensya kayo pag napapainis ninyo o napapasagot kayo sa nanay nyo. Kahit minsan na pag ako nakakasagot sa mama ko, hindi na ako mapalagay. Parang gusto ko na kagad mag-confession. Pag minsan napataas ang boses ko din. Kasi nanay yan eh. We can have so many friends, but there will be only one mother. Pag yan ang nawala, wala na yan sa buhay natin forever. Wala nang nanay na papalit sa atin. That's why we as a Legionaries, we're very lucky that we are under the patronage of Mama Mary because she's always there. Thank you so much.